So you got demonetized. I know. Don't cry no more. It's okay. It's okay. If you didn't cry, good for you. But me, I was bawling. I wasn't bawling like crazy, like, ugh, but I was crying. And I don't cry on a regular. It's like a mystery with YouTube. You never know what you're in trouble for. It's like you never know. Okay, so you're trying to get remonetized, right? This is the video you was looking for. Stay here. Get your notebook, take notes, or just come back to the video and rewatch it. No problem. First thing first, do not, I repeat, do not erase any videos off of your page. Okay, so last week I got demonetized. Shocker. Just life. And I'm going to tell you all the steps that I did to get remonetized within like 24 hours. Less than that, actually. Are you really reusing people's content? What does reusing content mean? Okay, now on YouTube, you are allowed to actually use people content in your own way. You cannot just reuse, like, for instance, you cannot reuse my video that I'm doing right now and just say, oh, it's yours on your page. No, that's considered reused content. When you take clips from people's videos or from movies or from TV shows, you can do that, but you have to switch it up in a way. That's changing sounds as far as the voices, maybe the background, maybe you could put somebody else's face on it instead of theirs. You have to change something in the video. Well, let me give you an example of what's reused content. Okay, our girl, Megan Thee Stallion. What's her saying? Real hot girl shit, right? If you were to use her actual voice, that is considered reused content. If you were to say it yourself as a voiceover or using your own voice on a video like I am right now, that's not considered reused content. That's just you just saying what she said. All right? Okay, so if you are in the boat of you just maybe took a TikTok video and put it on your video and maybe changed your voice up a little bit or put a saying, or even if you do reactions and you actually react to videos, I might be able to save you. So basically they want to know, are you real, right, on your videos? Because a lot of people, for instance, I don't know if you watch like Pimple Popper, for instance, you know, she pop bumps and she, you know, she films it or whatever. A lot of people take those videos and make their own channel and they just start blowing up basically off of her channel. So they're looking to see, are you one of those people, or are you just a person that's just using people's content like regular smuggler? And you know, I mean, like, you ain't hurt nobody. Like, majority of your channel is you just using a couple of clips. What you want to do is pretty much switch how you're doing it. Okay, so first thing first, do not delete. I repeat, do not delete nothing off of your page. And that means YouTube Shorts as well. Do not delete nothing off the page. Why? Because for one, it's going to look like, why you hiding stuff? Why you deleting stuff? And they tell you not to delete nothing in the first place anyways. Not only that, but remember, you are not monetized anymore. So when you're not monetized, which you were before, you had to have what? 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, right? So say for instance, all you had was 4,000 watch hours, right? And then you just got demonetized. If you erase any of your videos, those are watch hours. So if somebody watched those videos and you erase them off, now you do not have 4,000 watch hours. So now you're going to have to wait until you have 4,000 watch hours again. Then you need to go through your list of videos, YouTube Shorts as well, and see, did you use anybody's sound during that month? Because 9 times out of 10, you got demonetized from something you did that month. Now, if you didn't do no videos that month, then you need to look at some of your current videos, because YouTube is basically ran by robots. So when they see something, like for instance, when you going up in the algorithm, or you're getting more views than you usually do all of a sudden, or even if you're a new YouTuber and your videos are like getting a lot of views right when you start posting, they're watching. So what you need to do is go through the videos and look and see, did you use anybody's sound? Did you use anybody's video? If you did, put it on private. Put it on private. Do not delete it. Put it on private. Because if you delete something, they're not going to be able to appeal you within those 14 days. So do not erase nothing. Next thing you need to do is you need to go in your description of your channel and pretty much tell exactly what you do on your channel. And you also need to change your profile. Maybe your banner. Maybe you put pictures of, do your little YouTube stuff that you do. Just put it on your picture. If they're trying to figure out who you are, you should, summarize what your channel is. Appeal video that has to be under 5 minutes. Do not make it 5 minutes. I would make it no more than 4 minutes and 57 seconds. For the first 30 seconds of the video, it doesn't have to be the whole 30 seconds of the video. You need to put your URL in the video. I'm gonna show you how to do it here. Okay, so first thing first, you want to go to youtube.com, of course. You go to your channel's page by hitting your little icon right here. Go to view your channel. Your channel is going to come up. And your URL is right there. Now, to make sure you're correct, you can copy it. Go to another page. Paste it. And your page should come up again. That's how you will know that you're correct on your URL on the computer. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on your phone. Okay, so you're trying to find your URL on your phone. You can use an iPhone, you can use an Android. It doesn't matter. Go to YouTube. Go to your page. Okay, so you go to your videos. You can pick a video, any video. X that out. Right here, it says share. Press share. Copy link. Go to paste. That's your URL. Go. And your page comes back up. So that's your URL. That's how you do it on the phone. And you have to have it this way. Have your phone this way. You cannot have it in full screen because you're not going to be able to see the share button. Pretty easy. You can do it on your phone or you can do it on your computer or your laptop. Make sure you put it on there. Either you put it in the video as a title or you say it. And please put your channel name as well. Why not? They know who your channel is, but still just put the name of your channel. You need to be very detailed on what you do on your videos. Maybe not all your videos, but if you do fashion videos, pranks, comedy, reactions, funny videos, whatever it is that you do on your channel, you need to explain to YouTube what you do on your channel. And how you can do that is pretty much screen record, some of your old videos. Go through some of your best viewed videos, some of the stuff that you really like that you do on your channel, some of the stuff that you're getting a lot of views on. Just show what you're doing on your channel. Show exactly what you do on your editing. I use iMovie, so I'm going to actually show you exactly what I showed them to get monetized again. Hi YouTube, my channel's URL is, and my channel name is Style and Nature. The reviewers of YouTube's feedback says that I reuse content, and it's a mistake because I am not reusing content. I use content and I put my own original spin to it. I give it all a unique, different spin, my self-expression, of reactions. I comment to the videos, whether I write something or I have something to say for the little clips that I do use. Usually, if I'm going to use something from a movie or a TV show, it's because I'm using as a self-expression. For instance, Lord have mercy, I'm just spicing up like someone is talking to me. I change voices in iMovie by simply pressing this and changing the voice up. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. You can change his voice deeper. Have mercy. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. And that's just a little bit of me changing voices, and I also do voiceovers myself as well. I usually edit my videos all in iMovie. I always spice it up with my own content. I do not use anybody's content as my own, and I always make sure I put everyone's name on my video. My YouTube videos are usually scripted out. I usually write down what I'm going to do for the month, ideas that I might have. I always put some sort of entertainment in it, as far as comedy. My channel is Style and Nature. I do plus size fashion, beauty, fishing videos. I'm a fisherwoman. I do a little bit of lifestyle. I do commentary on reactions, videos. I do inspired by looks. I do skits. And your hair look like this. I do yoga. I do a lot of things on my channel. I am a plus size model. I do a lot of body positivity things, a lot of self-love. I teach my audience to love themselves no matter what size they are and live life to the fullest. Style and Nature is a character that is a plus size woman that she is very silly, she's fun, she's entertaining. That's what Style and Nature channel consists of. Very well detailed. I work with a lot of companies and brands. I do have other social media platforms, which consist of TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. I do use some of my TikTok videos on YouTube Shorts. I do all my filming by myself. I do all my voiceovers. I come up with all the ideas of what I'm going to do during the filming process and before, when I'm scripting everything out. And at the end of the video, what you would like to say is, thank you for watching this video. Please reinstate my monetization. I appreciate you watching this video. Have a nice day. Be as nice as possible. I know you're frustrated. I know you're not feeling it. You want to quit YouTube, and it's like, don't quit. And another thing is, if you do not get monetized within those 14 days, don't stop posting. Keep posting, because your watch hours are, coming back. You didn't get a strike. You didn't get kicked out of YouTube. You just got demonetized, meaning you're not making any money. Okay, so just keep posting. Follow the community guidelines. Whatever you did that you feel like you got demonetized for, don't do it again. I mean, I know it's like, oh my God, I was making money and now I'm not making no money. So you pretty much feel like you got fired and now you just working without pay. But it is what it is. Just keep posting. Keep just going about your flow. Keep doing your thing. That's the best thing you can do. So I was just frustrated that week. I had a week from hell. Not even a week, a month. First, it started off with my phone was too full for me to do videos. I film from my phone. So I couldn't film videos. So how I was filming was I would film for like a minute or two. When the camera said full, I would just transfer all the little clips that I had to my laptop. And that's how I was filming, right? So then, boom, my laptop just started acting up. And I'm like, what's going on? So I thought it was just the charger that was broken. So I was like, okay, when I get paid, I'm gonna buy me another charger and we'll be all good. So one night, my laptop went completely dead, right? So I said, okay, well, I'm about to order this charger. So I ordered the charger, plugged it up, laptop never came back on. So I had to take it to a computer store to get it looked at. Motherboard was broken. $600 to get it fixed. I didn't even pay $600 to buy it. It was used. It was used to begin with. Cost $600 to fix. So I said, okay, plan B, I'm gonna have to get another computer or laptop, right? So get another computer, right? I had a TV monitor to put with the little computer because I got an iMac Mini, and you know you need a HDMI to connect it, right? So I had a little TV, little 18-inch TV, right? So I said, okay, I'm gonna use that as a monitor, right? So I get that, turn it on, I said, okay, everything's working, cool. Let's get editing. Let me go get iMovie and download iMovie. iMovie wouldn't download because the computer needed to be updated. So I updated the computer. Okay, now it's time to edit. Yes. Here goes iMovie. They wouldn't let me get iMovie at first. So one day, after I had given up pretty much and said, okay, well, I'm gonna have to get another computer. I ain't got it right now, but I'm gonna figure it out. So one day I mysteriously look at the computer and it let me get iMovie. So I said, cool, I'm filming tomorrow. I filmed the next day. Put the video on the computer, getting ready to edit it. Now, if you watch my videos, I edit my videos to a T. Like, I edit the hell out of my video. I put all types of effects, sound effects, all types of stuff in my videos. A lot of editing. So I have the iMovie. Now remember, I'm using a TV monitor as my computer screen. So I'm trying to minimize iMovie so I can be able to move side to side and, you know, do this, do that. And it wouldn't minimize. So I get a friend of mine to try to minimize the screen. And boom. The monitor goes completely blank. Can't do nothing. So, boom. I had to edit a full course video on the phone. Not even my phone, because my phone is full, remember? So, I edited a video, and when I get done editing the video, I had to erase the video because it's not my phone. So, the video damn near goes viral. I finally get a computer monitor, a real computer monitor, right? Purchase one. So I get home. I had a little clip of a video that needed to be edited. So I start editing it that night that I got the computer. I'm exhausted. And the next morning I said, okay, I'm gonna finish the video when I wake up. Wake up. And I get demonetized. Yep. That's my story.